If you are looking to add WhatsApp to your Galaxy Watch 6, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to install and use WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 6. But before we dive in, make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you never miss out on any future video or update. You can now install the official WhatsApp app on your Galaxy Watch 6 from the Google Play Store because Samsung officially announced its release for Wear OS. To do this, you will need to join the WhatsApp beta program on the Google Play Store. If you find that the beta program is already full and you can't join, then don't worry. I will add a link to join the beta program in the video description. Click on it and join the WhatsApp beta program. Make sure that you are using the same Google account on your Galaxy Watch. Once you have successfully joined the WhatsApp beta program, the next step is to update your WhatsApp app on your phone from the Google Play Store. After the update is finished, you can easily get WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 6 directly from the Play Store. Here's another way it can work. On the Play Store page, where you updated WhatsApp on your phone, you should see your Galaxy Watch 6 listed below. You can select it as the device to put WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 6. After a short while, WhatsApp will be up and running on your Galaxy Watch. Now, I will show you how to set up WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 6. When you open WhatsApp on your watch, you will see an 8-digit authentication code like this. At the same time, your phone will get a notification for accessing WhatsApp from another device. Simply enter that code from your Galaxy Watch into your phone. Now you are all set to use WhatsApp on your watch, similar to how you use it on your phone. However, there are a few things to note in the beta version of WhatsApp for Galaxy Watches. You can only reply to existing chats. There is no option to start new chats with new contacts from the watch. Send or receive voice messages directly from your watch. You can receive and view images in chats, but you can't send images from the watch. If you receive a video message on WhatsApp and try to open it on your Galaxy Watch 6, then it will show you the video as an unsupported message because Galaxy Watch 6 does not support video files on WhatsApp. In this beta version of WhatsApp for your Galaxy Watch, there are some more features that have not been added yet. You can answer WhatsApp calls on your watch, which is handy. But in case if you miss the call, there is no option to call the person back directly from your watch. If we talk about WhatsApp video calls, then you can accept the video call from your watch, but it will be like a normal call. The video will be off on your watch because there is no camera to record and you are also unable to see the other person on your watch. If you accept the call from your Galaxy Watch 6, then there is an option to switch back to your phone. Just tap on it and enjoy the video call on your phone. Deleting messages like you would do on your phone is not possible on the watch. You will still need to use your phone for that. Using WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 6 is convenient, but some features are still a work in progress. Maybe in the future, we will be able to access all the features of WhatsApp from a Galaxy smartwatch. WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch also offers a useful feature. You can set a tile to make shortcuts to your recent chats. To add this tile, swipe left until you get the plus icon, and then tap on the plus icon to select WhatsApp tile. Now, you can quickly access your WhatsApp chats by selecting the WhatsApp tile. If you ever want to leave the WhatsApp beta program, then it's easy to do. Simply revisit the same link I provided in the description and click on the option Leave Beta Program. That's it, you can exit the beta program whenever you like. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this tutorial, then please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to hit subscribe and bell icon. This will help you stay updated.